Hi teacher, 2 years ago I tried to ride a horse. This experience has been sometimes unusual because I never had do it. I never had ridden with my cousin, but I fell down from him. That experience has liked my match. For that reason, I would like to try again since I want to learn to ride a horse. I know that it won't be difficult because only I have tried once. I have tried several times. My cousin will teach me since he has ridden for 5 years, but lately he has been very wise. For that reason, he has that his year. He has always been good at it. It would be very interesting to learn and to write the times that I want. It could help me to relax, and also I will spend great time. Thank you.